we're about to go through the Monitor Merrimack Tunnel here in Newport News, Virginia. Gonna blow my train horns in the tunnel here. Probably scare some people next to me, but that's alright, they'll get over it. And, this is the Hornblasters Conductor Special Shocker. Got the compressor and a 2-gallon tank. For all my friends on Facebook who have never heard it before, we'll get to hear it. Don't mind the shakiness, you don't need to see the picture, you just need to hear the sound. Going in the tunnel. Alright. Oh shit! Alright, I'm gonna blow him a little bit. Horns are sounding off crazy. Person's probably like, what the fuck? Just slow down a little bit.